Meet Belush. She found a magical treehouse that was snoring. SHHH. Belush had to be super quiet, but the treehouse branches started to jiggle. The branches giggled louder, teasing her. Belush tried hard not to laugh. Just as she was almost past, boop, a leafy branch tickled her nose. She burst into a happy giggle. Belush winked. Sweet dreams, treehouse. Next adventure, here she comes.